Hi, I'm Jonny, and today I'm showing you the Totally Wicked INTU Pro Kit. This is the pinnacle of Totally Wicked e-cigarettes, and with good reason. From the huge battery capacity and the advanced features, to the stunning finish and high quality tank, the INTU Pro is the ultimate kit for advanced vapers. So let's begin with the internal technology, and what better place to start than the large 5000 mAh battery capacity. This should last vapers at least a full day of vaping, even at higher powers. And when it eventually does need recharging, it can be done so rapidly thanks to USB-C quick charge technology. So next we'll move on to the output modes, and the INTU Pro has a number of them. There are various temperature control modes, bypass mode, and of course variable wattage mode, allowing you to change the power from 1 to 80 watts. If you like to keep things simple, you can also set the kit to smart mode. This will detect the resistance of the atomizer head and automatically set the wattage to the optimum level. Now, all of your settings, including current wattage, remaining battery life, and atomizer resistance, are all displayed on the kit's colour screen. You can also access the screen's menu by holding the power up and the power down button at the same time. And from here you can view your puff count and customise the screen's colour, amongst other handy features. As well as having a wealth of internal technology, the INTU Pro also excels in terms of look and feel. It has padded panels which make it comfortable in the hand, and a solid metal body which adds to both the aesthetics and the structural integrity of the kit. The first release of the INTU Pro is a limited edition Black Series, and as the name suggests, the device, tank and insert panels are all black, with subtle highlights of red stitching and branding. There will be just 3,000 INTU Pros produced in this finish worldwide. It has a 510 connection, so almost any tank can be paired with the mod if you wish, but the pairing of choice from us is the Mevia tank. Now this is a quality tank which can be used for either mouth to lung vaping or restricted direct lung vaping, depending on the atomizer head which is fitted. It houses the GZ atomizer heads, and the 0.4 ohm versions are included with the kit. These use a push fit connection for quick and easy coil changes. The airflow can be adjusted using the ring at the base of the tank and has options for anything from a restricted draw and an unrestricted airy draw. It's refilled at the top using a sliding top fill system, which makes on-the-go e-liquid top-ups really simple. There is also a lock-in button which reduces the risk of it accidentally opening in your pocket and spilling out the e-liquid. So that's everything you need to know about Totally Wicked's Pinnacle e-cigarette. It has all the features you could hope for, a high quality tank and a beautiful finish. If you're an experienced vapor who wants a kit which will work a treat and stand the test of time, then look no further than the Totally Wicked INTU Pro.